Ragtop time here, unique especially in classics. It's a 1965 Cadillac DeVille convertible. 429 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. Of course, the stacked headlights up front. Take a look at the chrome of the bumper. Headlight surrounds, bright work grille. Looks good up front on this one. Nicely equipped too, power steering, power brakes, AC. As you can see, paint shows well on this one. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Cadillac wheel covers, white wall radials. Original color of this car, aspen white. Paint code number 12. White vinyl top, that is power. We're going to put that up here at the end of the video. Check out the condition of that. Interior, number 388, red leather interior, bench seat up front. A little aftermarket stereo has been added down below the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. As you can see, nice parade boot or convertible top cover. Speaking of covers, this will come with a car cover. I'm going to put that back in the trunk, included in the purchase. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Also shows well, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through it. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, pictures of the top up, top down, both ways. Over 110 pictures online of this car. So take a look from the rear to the front, down the driver's side, and as you can see, fender skirts intact, fit nicely. Vehicle came to us from Arizona where it spent some time. So a Southwest vehicle. A little closer look at the interior here. Power windows. Those do function. I'll roll those up so you can see the convertible top up with the windows up also. Do have a little bit of wearing on the seat. Doesn't appear to be any rips, tears, holes though. Telescopic wheel. Let's start it up. Remember to stick around to the end of the video too. We'll take a drive in this car, set up a camera inside it so you can kind of see what it's like going down the road. Take a virtual ride if you will. Dash looks good. Door closes, it fits nicely. Slip around to the back, I guess sounds like you'd expect a 429 V8 from 1965 to sound like. All right. Slip up to the front here. I'm going to pause this a second, take both hands, get this big hood open. Get the hood open, check out the engine bay, and then remember, stick around to the end of the video. We're going to look at the convertible top and take this for a ride. There we go with the hood open, so you can check out the underside of that. Nice and clean and tidy under there. And here's that engine bay. Also nice and clean. Take a look at those inner fenders. Look good. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Brake booster. Don't look very old. Wow, what a clean. Very clean engine bay. And you can see lack of corrosion or rust. Well, this is a Southern vehicle, no doubt about that. Like a newer alternator. Looks pretty stock underneath there. Alright, so there's the engine bay. We're going to go ahead and put this convertible top up. Check that out. And we'll wrap this video up. And here it is with the top up. So white vinyl top. Nice fit above the windshield. Did roll the side glass up too, so you kind of get an idea how that fits in there. Looks like a newer top. Appears to have not been replaced too long ago. Free of rips, tears, holes. Rear window is glass. Nice and clear. And the passenger side looks as good as driver's side. There isn't hardly even wrinkles in that top. Wow. Nice condition. And side glass over here too. Looks good with the top up. 1965 Cadillac DeVille convertible. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1965 Cadillac DeVille in bright white with a red interior. This is a convertible, as you can tell. We do have the top down today. Great running Cadillac, as most of them are. Fire it up, idles right away, idle smooth. Good acceleration. Our temperature gauge is at 1/8 of the way up towards hot. It's been running about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Fuel gauge is reading 1/4 of a tank. Our speedometer is working well. Wipers work, blower motor works on this car. The radio I've not got to power up. Nice handling Cadillac, very luxurious. Red carpet dash and vinyl seats. The white top matches the paint very nicely. Not much play in the steering at all. A little crack in the steering wheel, that's typical. Brakes are working well. Really nice lines on this car, really straight. Good condition body. White is such a great color for these big Cadillacs. Kick down on that automatic transmission, working well. There is an aftermarket stereo mounted on the floor under the dash. I haven't got that to power up. Power windows are working. Really great cruiser. Take a look at this Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.